God damn! You mangied into my yard. There's a tire mark, a dirt trail, and then a tire mark. Holy fuck! Holy fuck!
Munging up the whole road.
Let me back up a little bit.
The video is sick.
Oh my god! They're gonna be so pissed. Oh
God, that's no one's ever done it that far.
damn.
No alignment.